Ready? Good afternoon. Yeah, we're back at the WIC Expo. This is in Shenzhen, and we've had a chance to do a lot more interviews. I think we're up to about 12 or 13 interviews now in the last few days. We've got about 9 or 10 lined up for tomorrow. We're very excited. We're getting to interview a lot of IC design companies, so they don't actually have the factories that you see in traditional China, but you see in the design house, the computer-aided design, working on IC chips that are sent to the fab makers to make into integrated circuits. So take a walk with me and we'll have a look at different parts of the expo. We'll go down this way here. So we're walking down. A lot of the vendors around here are more international, from America, from Canada, from Europe, and then we go down the back here and we have more from some of the usual suspects: Adjuvant Technologies, Future Electronics, we've got Apotec. It's a great Hong Kong company, and if we go further down this way, we have firms. So we have just on the corner here, we've got SHENZHEN Electronics. Help by the frequency controls that they need to put into electronic products. We move over to other companies. There's RAMTRON.
The application or the technology is not new, but the product that we are introducing is new.
Wow.
The difference is because the internal memory, instead of using the traditional E-square, is using FRAM.
Wow.
It may mean very little to most people because you know, what's the big deal, right? You change from apple to oranges.
Yes, yeah.
But you know, the traditional characteristic of FRAM is low power, high endurance, and then with these two encompassing into a RFID, into a wireless technology, it brings to you a few benefits, right? Like symmetrical read-write distance.
Yes.
You know, traditional RFID tag, you can read at a distance,
right?
But you have to write at a closer range.
Oh, I see. Yes.
So if you
what distance are we talking about in terms of the?
Right now we are talking about depending on your sensitivity.
Yes.
If your sensitivity is about 6, like this one, it's probably about 3 meters.
Wow.
You can read and write 3 meters without barriers.
Amazing.
Alright. But if I have the next generation, which is 12 dB, we're talking about probably 10 meters.
Wow.
So it opens up, you know, a lot of avenue for the customers to dream.
Yes.
Right? Like for example, if you do say toll gate collection,
right?
Most of the people they have a box and they have a card reader,
right?
And the purpose of the card reader is to boost the range of the card.
Yes.
Because imagine if your car goes this and goes down the toll gate.
Yes.
You need to have a full transaction before you can deduct money from the card.
Yes.
So you have to read whether you have money.
Yes.
And then confirm he has money.
Yes.
I want to deduct 20 cents.
Yes.
Confirm you can deduct 20 cents.
Yes.
So there's about 5 or 6 transactions that you have to read, write.
Wow.
So what do you think, you know, this can replace that whole application, the box? Wow. So one of these can replace the box.
Wow. So much faster.
much faster,
Yes.
much reliable
Yes.
because of the endurance.
Yes.
And then you can do symmetrical read write. So which means that when the moment you start to read, you can write.
Wow, that does speed up the transaction.
It speeds up the transaction
Yes.
tremendously.
It's amazing.
And the best part of this is it's gamma tolerant.
Yes.
So which means that if you want to put it on the dashboard,
Right.
you can run it through X-ray, you can run it through gamma ray.
Wow.
It's gamma tolerant.
Amazing.
So most of the time, gamma radiation tolerant is used in medical applications.
Yes.
Where they actually disinfect the equipment.
Have you had a lot of interest from customers at this expo?
We are launching this the second year.
Right.
There's a lot of incubation period where
Yes.
customers are new to the technology.
Right.
They need time to digest
Yes.
and think about how they can maximize the use of this new technology.
Yes.
So there's a lot of interest, yes. We have a few alpha customers that's doing digital log, doing cold chain. Like for example, if you have, say, an injection for any of those capsules.
Yes.
So the cold chain, this guy will follow the entire capsules. So to make sure that it doesn't go through any temperature shock. By the time it reaches you,
Right.
there's no effect.
Yes.
Or it's gone.
Wow.
So it helps you to monitor
Amazing.
the product the whole way,
Wow.
including red wine.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, including red wine.
And we all have to have red wine sometime, right?
So this is
Amazing.
the one that we.
Such small.
This
amazing.
is already too big.
Wow.
We make it into a chip.
Yes.
But when we actually have a, let me show you. Okay, this is. This is how small you can get.
Oh wow.
This is the chip on board, and this is the antenna,
Oh wow.
and this is the
Okay.
size of it.
Wow, that's
The
amazing.
whole tag.
Amazing. That is excellent. So it's really good that you bring this technology to the market. New
Well,
things.
We hope that this technology can open up a lot of avenues for existing solution providers.
Right.
To expand their horizon and reduce some of the inefficiency that they are experiencing right now. Solve some of their problems.
Yes. And RFID is a big business now, especially in the logistics, the supply chain operations. But this opens up many more opportunities
Right.
in
It
how
does.
RFID can be used.
It
Yes.
can be used in many of the applications like temperature logging,
Yes.
medicals, utility meters,
Right.
even logistics. You're right.
That's amazing.
Right.
Yeah. Anyway, I just want to thank you. Thank you for coming to the expo.
Thank you.
I really appreciate a short talk on your new product.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good. It was good. So that we can finish that.